Great news for all UPSC EPFO aspirants. Your wait is almost over. The Union Public Service Commission is all set to release the admit cards for the Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner exam. The official notification confirms that the UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 will be available for download in the third week of November 2025. Mark your calendars, because the exam is scheduled for November 30th, 2025, at various centers across Delhi. So, how do you get your hands on this crucial document? It's simple. Just head over to the official UPSC website, which is upsc.gov. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Admit Card section. You'll find the link for the UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025. Click on it, and you'll be asked to enter your registration number, date of birth, and a CAPTCHA code. After you submit these details, your admit card will appear on the screen. Make sure to download it and take a printout. Remember, this admit card is your ticket into the examination hall, so keep it safe. Let's quickly recap some important details about this recruitment drive. Advertisement number 52, 2025. There are a total of 156 vacancies for the Enforcement Officer and Accounts Officer roles, and 74 vacancies for the Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner position. The application window was from July 29th to August 22nd, 2025. For those who applied, the application fee was just 25 rupees, and it was waived for female, SC, street, and disabled candidates. If you applied for both posts, the fee was 50 rupees. Now, let's talk about eligibility. For the EOAO posts, the age limit for the general category is 30 years. For the APFC post, it's 35 years. Of course, age relaxation is applicable as per government rules for reserved categories. The best part, the only educational qualification required is a bachelor's degree from any recognized university. This is a fantastic opportunity with a great salary package. The EOA positions are at level 8 in the pay matrix as per the 7th CPC. So, get ready for the final leg of your preparation. Keep an eye on the official website, upsc.gov. During the third week of November, your admit card will be released soon. We wish you all the very best for your exam. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.